Moment of truth, sir. He said it's looking good.
Take a look at it real quick.
Thumbs up, subscribe, ding.
Hi guys, what is going on? It's your boy Sean Wade with should I say back with another video? So today's video, I am on my way to Tacoma Mall and I am picking up the charm that I purchased off of eBay. A Nike, like a Nike with a swoosh on the bottom. Sterling silver, real silver charm for a decent price. I thought it was I thought I was gonna get it. It would be fake, but it turned out to be real. It's a real charm. But the thing is about that charm is that it's kind of old looking. It has no shine to it. It's tarnishing. It just looks blah. It looks boring and and everything else. So at Tacoma, Washington, I believe they're called the Jewelry Doctor. I'll put the name of what it's called, the bottom of the screen here. And I'll put their information as well. I went to them and they're like, yeah, man, we can hook you up, Okay, you could pretty much go to any jewelry store almost and just get it cleaned up and stuff like that. Okay, yeah. That's nothing, really too exciting. Okay, they hook your boy up. All right, whatever. I was talking to the guy. He was just like, yeah, man, that's a sick piece. They really loved it, yada, yada, yada. I'm gonna turn this air down. It's like blowing. I'm trying to get my windows to unfog, but it's getting there. I can see it. But anyhow, he was like, yeah, it looks sick. And I was like, I was thinking about maybe, what if I put some color to it? And he was like, yeah, I was thinking about the same thing. He said that would be cool. So he was telling me that he can. So I was like, all right, maybe next time. So I go back to the jewelry store and I said, hey, remember that conversation we had about putting color to it? He's like, yeah. He said, you ready to do it? I'm like, yeah, I think I'm ready to do it. He goes, all right. So I used AI and just to see what it looked like if AI would have generated what it looks like if there's color put inside. And it looked pretty sick. Now, the swoosh part of the AI generated picture, how it kind of blended with like the rainbow effect with the yellow and the blue and the yellow. He couldn't really do that because it's too complicated. He said the colors won't really mix right and it's gonna look ugly. So I was like, all right. So I'm thinking, well, maybe I'll just leave it plain by itself. And then I thought, well, maybe white will look pretty sick. But then he said he has a special type of color that glows in the dark. So he showed me other people's pieces that they got. I believe the one was definitely silver. I'm not too sure if there were some gold pieces too, probably, and it looked really sick. So like at night, that swoosh, that check is just gonna glow. And he said it can last, a good bit of years. I was like, wow. So I was really, really, really intrigued just to see what it looks like. It's gonna be like an off-white during the day, but the whole point is that I didn't want the metal of the silver of the charm to show too much because it has a slight different color to this necklace that I have. This necklace is brand new and it has like a brighter white to this necklace where the charm has like almost like a tint, almost like a copperish tint, just very ever so slightly. It's shiny and bright. It looks good, but when you put these two together, you could just tell. And then he had another rope silver chain that was the same color as my charm. But I'm like, I don't know about that. I kind of like the necklace that I have, I'm kind of liking this. So I'm thinking, all right, let me just color it. So I dropped it off literally I think I dropped it off Wednesday actually. So I dropped it off Wednesday. So today is Friday. Initially, he told me, I'm gonna have it ready for you probably like Wednesday of next week. He did say that I'm gonna try to, do you kind of early. And man, he called me, he's like, yep, your charm's done. I didn't even ask him how it looked. I can't wait to go inside this mall and pick up this charm and see what it looks like, you know, hanging off this necklace. It's gonna be fun. I can't wait. I'm almost there. It's only like a 10-minute ride, less than 10-minute ride to Tacoma. Look, my window's about to fog up again, guys. Look at this, in Seattle. It's the first time I'm seeing snow. Right there, really see the grass. There you go, you can see the grass right there. First time. That snow is crazy. Look at that. This is March 13, 2026. They say it don't really snow that much here. It's been raining for the past 4 months. Like, literally seems to be like raining all November, December, January, February, rain, rain, rain. Beginning of this month, rain, and then all of a sudden, boom, snow. But it's not sticking to the ground. So I was told that from the locals, they said it will snow, but it won't stick to the ground all like that. And then that'll be the end of it. I guess the snow that we have now is as much as we're going to get. That is the extent of the snow that we can get here. And I'm okay with that. All right, guys, so I think I did something horrible. I took my ND filter off. I think I left it, oh my God. I don't know why would I do that. Anyhow, let's not ruin this moment. Let's go ahead and check out this charm. So we're gonna go inside. We are in the mall. The jewelry place is right in front of me. So there's Jewelry Doctor right here. We're gonna go inside this place right here. And it's right next to JCPenney and whatever that is, Claire's. We're going to see what this thing looks like. I'm not too sure if I can film inside, but he'll let me know if I can or not. How's it going, man? I came to check her out.
It's looking good.
It's looking good?
It looked great.
All right.
Yeah, I got you. Want
Is it okay that I film myself in here?
That's no problem.
Okay. All right, guys. Moment of truth, sir. He said it's looking good.
Take a look at it real quick.
Ooh. What? Actually, the white actually looks better than what I thought.
I felt the same way too. It glows in the dark really well too. We tested it out
Yeah.
just to see what it looks like. That sucker will glow nice and green for you.
What? That is sick. Look at that, guys. What do you guys think? So we're gonna put the intended target necklace. That looks good. Look
I think
at
that looks sweet, man.
That looks nice.
That's a very
you did
good
you did a good job.
I can't take credit. I won't lie. My brother did that one.
Okay.
So he did all the coloring on that guy for you.
Wow.
Yep.
That looks good. That looks real good. That white
Yeah.
actually look good.
I think you're going to be smiling when you see that sucker glow at night.
Yeah.
Yes,
that's
sir.
that's
Yes, sir.
sick, man.
I appreciate
Dude,
it.
I'm pumped to wear it, man. That's cool. I like that. What do you guys think? You know, let me know in the comments below if that's a yay or a nay. I think it's a yay. If it's a nay, these guys just hate me. So, but yeah, like I said, I'm here. What's this Jewelry Doctor, right?
Yes, sir. Yeah,
Here
Jewelry
in
Doctor.
Tacoma Mall. If you're local, come check your boy out. He can hook you up. I'm pretty sure he could do gold too.
We do everything.
Everything.
Make it happen. Yeah, so I mean, we basically build custom. We do repair. We sell jewelry. We buy and sell bullion. We got bars of silver, bars of gold.
That's cool.
We're like a one-stop shop for any jewelry need, basically.
That's
yeah,
pretty
we
cool.
do it all here.
Yeah, man, this is cool. I can't wait to rock it. So we're gonna do a test later on to see how it glows in the dark too, guys. So let me go ahead and pay for this, and I'll see you in a second. All right, guys. So I finally got it. Y'all can see what it looks like on me, and they did an amazing job with this necklace. Y'all, look, I'm telling y'all gotta come here, check out your boy, Jewelry Doctor, here at Tacoma Mall, right next to JCPenney, right next to Claire's, and they did an amazing job. This is so sick. All right, let's see. Let's come outside real quick. It might not be dark enough, but oh, look at the snow. It's snowing here in Tacoma, a little south of Seattle. Look at this. Dang. All right. It may not be dark enough, but we're gonna check it out when we get to the house. I gotta figure, where did I park my car at? Oh, there it is. Okay. Look, I'm about to get ran over by a car behind me. All right, let's get to the house and we'll check this out further. All right, guys, so this is what it looks like right here. I'm gonna actually put this up to the light just to show you guys that it does glow. Like, I guess if I'm out in the sun for however long, you know, all days getting this light, and then I don't know how long it will just light up, you know, at night or whatever. But I want to show you guys that it does glow in the dark, the Nike swoosh. So I'm gonna go ahead and go over here and I'm gonna turn this off, the light off. I don't know if you guys can see or not, but there it goes. There it goes. Yeah, so this is I'm liking it. It's pretty legit. This is a dope chain. Yeah, definitely liking it.